Hey everyone, my name's Alicia and I'm here in Peterborough with our frontline manager Jason, who's going to tell us a bit about how you can be prepared for an emergency and what situations our crews face, sometimes on a daily basis or in a storm.
Sometimes we're dealing with bad weather, trouble calls. We deal with storms on a day-to-day basis. We get sent up north or anywhere in the province for that matter, or even across the borders.
What are some of the things you do to prepare for such a situation?
We're well prepared anyway, that's for sure. We have a lot of training. We do first aid, CPR training. We have monthly truck checks to be sure that trucks have adequate fire extinguishers, first aid kits, the right tools, and communications. Our radios are on our trucks. We have an emergency binder that carries all the crucial information for hospitals and contact numbers. They're all in every truck.
What are some tips and reminders that you would give to your next door neighbor so they can be prepared for an emergency or to other type of situation they may come across?
Some good tips to be prepared for would be always have extra food and water. That's always essential. Cell phones, make sure your cell phone's charged up and ready to go. We have a Hydro One app as well. The app is really handy to use to identify where the storm's coming from, outages, and stuff like that. And of course, like first aid kits are important to always have handy. We carry ours in our truck. They're always identified by stickers, fire extinguishers.
So thanks, Jason, for sharing those really helpful tips with us.